course, all the cars are gone except for the slow one. Like before, there was like 5 cars in front of us. Now they're all gone except for the car in front of us and the guy who's afraid.
Of course, everybody was passing him, except this car.
Well, nobody passed him. I would have seen him pass him. We got to be almost up to
The road stop.
double lane.
Yeah.
And we'll just scoot on by. Because the plow's been over this road, I can see better than it was back there. Just a little bit. It's definitely been plowed once over here. You can tell it's not that thick.
Yeah, it is.
So
Either all the way to Crystal Lake.
usually Crystal Lake's pretty good.
You can tell sometimes.
Come on!